Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use Google Chats in your Gmail in your PC. So let's begin our video. So first of all, I just open my browser, open Gmail. So here you can see it's loading, but on my Gmail there have no chats option. So I just need to press this settings option, select see all settings. Right now select levels. Right now here you can see chats option, just press show. So right now if you just let's back and open your Gmail, in here there have a chats option. You can see, just press it. Here you can see chats option already open. Right now you can chat each other. So that's it guys. In this way you can enable chats and use it. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.